Hello guys, this is an informational video on the Sabre Dynamics Clawmount. So when you receive your Clawmount, it comes in this packaging. On this label we have our Instagram at Sabre Dynamics. You can tag us in your stories or your posts and share your boards with us and your rides. We will love to share that with our followers as well. Then on the back we have a QR code which you can scan with your cell phone camera. And this will bring you to the website, to a specific web page about the Sabre Clawmount and the claw system. And on this page, you will be able to find the instructions mentioned in this video, and also some more images and information if you want this on a web page. So what is the Sabre Clawmount? Sabre Clawmount is an anti-sink plate with some added functionality. The anti-sink part of it is that it prevents your truck bolts from digging into your deck. The Clawmount has a old school bolt pattern. Before you purchase your Clawmount, please make sure that your board has the old school pattern. The dimensions of this can also be found on the back of the packaging label, and you can also find it on the website. So other than that, it protects your deck. It can also be used as a mount for accessories. And these claws right here are compatible with the GoPro action cam buckles. So these buckles, genuine GoPro buckles, you can slide them into the claws, and then you can attach whatever action accessories you have, like a GoPro, for example, or lights like shred lights, or you can attach a 360 camera to it. You can even get one of those extension arms that you attach to a buckle, attach the mount to the back of your board, put a 360 camera on it, and then you can do a video like you're being chased, like a third-person chasing video. So there's all kinds of possibilities, all kinds of accessories you can add to the system. Please ensure that the claw mounts are designed for genuine GoPro buckles. There is always a little bit of tolerance between these buckles, we noticed while designing them. But all the GoPro buckles should generally fit pretty snug. If you get any no brand buckles or other type of buckles, there can be some slop between them and the mount. For an example, here's one of the GoPro claws or mounting surfaces. And if we put one of the no brand buckles onto them, you can see there's a bit of play between the plate and the buckle right there. And you can pretty much rock it around. This is not too big of a deal because most cameras will filter out any vibrations. But anyway, if you buy or get a no brand or non-GoPro buckle, there might be a little bit of play. So other than the buckles, the claw mount also ties into the Sabre Dynamics claw system, which is all based on the accessory mount right here. What that means is you have these threaded holes in the middle. These grub screws act as a stabilizer for the GoPro buckles. So in case you're using the GoPro buckle, you can leave these grub screws in. These are Loctited in by us, so you don't have to add any Loctite to them. And in the future, if you want to integrate more accessories from the claw system, like for example a foot stop, you can remove these grub screws, you can slide in the foot stop, and you can attach it with 2 other bolts. So in the future we will be offering more accessories for this, and in this way you can have a accessory mount on your board and attach all kinds of things, lights, cameras, all kinds of things that you have. You can even design and 3D print mounts for to add on to these. At the moment of recording this video, the mounts are available in 3 colors. blue, black, and raw aluminium. They are sandblasted and anodized for durability. And in the future, we will look into getting more colors and expand the offering. So this is pretty much everything you need to know to get started with your claw mount. Please get creative with them. We love to see what you guys come up with. We love to see your videos. Please tag us on Instagram so we can share them. And yeah, we truly appreciate you supporting us. And we'll see you next time. Have fun riding. Bye.